You're going to stop buying cookies at the store and start making these amazing chocolate cookies right in your own home. Welcome back to my channel, and here we cook some of the most truly delicious dishes on the entire internet. Today is a lazy day. Do you ever feel like that? You don't want to do anything, your head hurts, everyone's annoying? I know for a fact I'm not the only one. And it's on days like these that you really want to treat yourself properly to something sweet. That's why today we're going to make some truly amazing, delicious cookies, packed with crunchy walnuts and rich chocolate chips. And I'm reminding you to subscribe to our channel if you want to get through any of life's difficulties easily and with a smile. For today's recipe, we will need to gather some flour, butter, a few eggs, salt and baking soda, 2 different types of sugar, walnuts, chocolate chips, and some extra chocolate. Mix the warm butter and sugar until smooth. Make sure you always use softened, warm butter so that your cookies will turn out with a much richer flavor. Then add the eggs and vanilla. In a bowl, combine all the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and salt. Add all the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and gently mix together. Then add chocolate chips or finely chopped chocolate and walnuts. Cover everything with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. After refrigerating, divide the mixture into equal balls and place them on parchment paper or a special baking tray, flattening them slightly. Bake at 180 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take out the cookies, let them cool slightly, and serve. These cookies are super easy to make. Look at how beautiful and moist it is when you break it open. The only thing you need to consider is the time the dough needs to rest in the refrigerator. I like to make the dough in the morning and then bake the cookies at any time during the day so my family can enjoy them. Subscribe to the channel, eat delicious food, be sure to treat yourself more often and smile more. And we'll definitely see each other again. Bye bye!